Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is videos about copying contour properties. I don't ever use the contour down here, but I'm going to use it tonight to show this off. But if we go to Windows Dockers, go to Effects and Contour, it's going to open up the contour docker. We're going to contour to the outside twice, 0.02. So if I want to do this and make it identical, all I have to do is that. But if you're accustomed not to use that, but to using this contour tool, this contour is a little bit different because of the fact that you're going to tell it the steps and the inches, but you actually kind of have to move it. So your movement is going to dictate on how far it goes. But if you wanted this circle to be that exact same thing, click on your circle, go to the contour. Now up in here, now yours is going to look a little bit different. I've got so many things on here that it's kind of moved some things around, but yours, when you open up the contour docker, it will have this right here, copy properties. And we had already had that selected, so I'm now going to select that. And it made that exact contour. So same thing on this D, let's contour it. And, we could do just one step. And that's how you kind of can change it, because you could go 3 and it's going to copy it. But if you get accustomed to pulling it, how far did you pull it? Well, you pulled it 0.153. Well, that's probably too much on this. So we can actually reduce it. As you can see it going downhill. But now select on your new item. Let's move it out of the way a little bit. Go back to the contour tool. Now yours will be right up here. I've got so much stuff up here. Copy from, we already have that selected, and now I'm going to select this. Well, I did something wrong. Let's select it, contour, copy from, and yes, I want to try again. There we go. I had to be on the contour. Now it looks different because the inside of the D had a contour. So let's put another, well, let's just do a circle. But we want that same contour from that. So I've got it selected. I'm going to go to contour, get to this, copy from, and then it's going to give me that. So I actually have to click on the contour, and it gives me that exact contour distance-wise off my T. And we can kind of prove that by taking the parallel dimension tool and measure from right there to right there. And we've got 0.36. Try to draw a line perpendicular, and we got 0.36. But that's one of the reasons I don't really ever use that, because the fact that if I want multiple contours, and let's actually make this smaller. So now we got 3 different sizes, but we can go up to effects, down to contour. We're going to go one step at 1/4 of an inch to the outside. Now all I have to do, I've got it all recorded. So now all my contours are going to be 1/4 of an inch. So I much prefer this, but there's a lot of people out here that use this other contour. And when you're using this, it's right up here. Anyway, I hope that made a little bit of sense, and thank you for watching.